Okay, dear students, now we are seeing about arts and amusement. Okay, so one time previous paragraphs recall that one. Okay, ma. So Indus Valley civilization, we are discuss about Indus Valley civilization. Okay, ma. So Indus Valley civilization is known as Harappan civilization. Okay, so this time and plant towns and including such paragraphs. The first one, plant towns, agriculture and animal domestication, pottery, metal tools and weapons, textiles and ornaments, trade and exchange, weight and measures, seals, ceilings and script. And next one, arts and amusement. Okay, so first one, plant towns. So the Harappans used baked and unbaked bricks and stones for construction. Okay, and next one, the tongue called the great part to Mohenjo-daro. So, and the tongue is a very important structures. Okay, next one, agriculture and animal domestication. So Harappans practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley and various types of millets also. Okay. So Harappan peoples and adopted a double cropping systems. Okay. So and next Harappan peoples reared cattle, sheep and goats. But they had knowledge of various animals including and but different types of animals including elephant only, not and elephant, but not uses horses. Okay, so Harappan peoples did not use horses. Next one, pottery. So pottery, the Harappans used painted pottery. Okay, Harappan peoples used painted pottery. The pottery has shapes. And the pottery shapes எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் jar and storage stars and dish on stands, perforated jars, hoplets, S-shaped jars, plates, dishes, bowls, pots. So this potteries and also very art and architecture, very skilled art. Okay, so the painted motifs means art and architecture, very skilled art. And next one, metal tools and weapons. Next one, metal tools and weapons. And Harappan peoples used chert plates. Okay, this is silica, hinds of silica stones, copper object and bone and ivory tools. Okay, so Harappan peoples used chert plates, copper object and bones and ivories. Okay, ma. But Harappan peoples not possess knowledge about iron. Okay, next one, textiles and ornaments. Harappans used metal and stone ornaments. Okay, Harappan peoples used metal and stone ornaments and some designing and art and designings and also very best. And Harappans exported them to Macedonia. Gold ornaments, carnelian, copper, and Harappan peoples made of carnelian beads, copper and gold ornaments. Okay, next one, trade and exchange. Next one, trade and exchange. And Harappans get closely related between the Macedonians. Okay, so Harappan seals have been found in the Western Asian sites. Okay, so the mention of Meluka, so the cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade conduct between Mesopotamia and Harappans. ஹரப்பன்ஸுக்கும் மெசபடோமியாக்குள்ள லிங்க்கை வந்து நம்ம எது மூலமாக பார்த்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் cuneiformங்கிற inscriptions. Okay, next one, weight and measures. Harappans develop a system proper weight and measures. So Harappans peoples must needed standard measures. Next one, seal and sealings and script. The seals from various media such as and steatite, markle or நுரைக்கல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் அந்த stones, kind of stones, copper, terracotta and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. Okay, they were properly used and must used in trade activities. Okay, dear students, now we are seeing about art and amusement. Okay, art and amusement. Art, கலை. Amusement means entertainment. இப்போ Harappans peopleஸோட பொழுதுபோக்கு என்னங்கிறத நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஓகேம்மா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன், terracotta figurines, paintings on the pottery and the bronze images from the Harappan sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Priest king made of steatite. Priest king, priest, and dancing girl made of bronze, both from Mohenjo-daro, as well as stone sculptures from Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Dhalavira are important objects of art. Toy hut, rattles, wheels, tops, marbles, hopscotches made of terracotta suggest the amusement of the Harappan people. Okay. First, Harappan, and now we are seeing about art and amusement. First, terracotta figures. So, terracotta toys and small figures. Okay, so terracotta figures and sudumannalana small sculptures. Okay, next one pottery. Next one bronze images, வெண்கல சிலைகள். Okay, so from the Harappan site suggests the artistic skills of the Harappans. So இதில் வந்து என்ன தெரியுதுன்னு Harappan people's very skilled for artist. Okay, artistics, அதுவும் ஆர்ட்டில் வந்து அங்கே எப்படி இருக்குன்னா very skilled person. Okay, next one priest king made of steatite. The priest king வந்து எதை வச்சு அவங்க மேட் ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு சொன்னால் steatite, மாக்கல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். priest king. Next one dancing girl made of bronze. Okay, வெண்கலத்தில் ஒரு dancing girl மேக் பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். So as well as stone sculptures from Harappa, and next one, and next, and also founding stone sculptures from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro and Dhalavira are important object of art. So இதில் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியுதுன்னா அவங்களோட art and architecture very skilled. Harappan peoples very highly skilled art and architectures. Next, Harappan peopleஸோட பொழுதுபோக்கு என்ன? Toy hut. Okay, toy hearts. Toy hearts means பொம்மை வண்டிகள். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் rattles மீன்ஸ் கிளுகிழுப்பைகள். அதாவது என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்னன்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு சவுண்டு கொடுக்கும், டு மேக் குயிக்லி சவுண்ட், சடன் சவுண்டு ஒரு கிளுகிழுப்பு அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்ல, அதான் rattles. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் வீல்ஸ், டாப்ஸ் பம்பரம், மார்பிள்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹாப்ஸ்கோச்சஸ். மார்பிள்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹாப்ஸ்கோச்சஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் கோழிக்குண்டு. ஓகேயா, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு Harappan peoples and playing different types of plays and tops, marbles and hopscotches made in terracotta suggest the amusement of the Harappan peoples. Okay, அப்புறமா இது என்னச்சுன்னா ஆர்ட் அண்ட் அம்யூஸ்மெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் Indus people had a close relationship with nature. Indus people had a close relationship with nature. They worship Bibal trees. Okay, and Indian and Indus Valley civilization. So the time Harappan people's Indus Valley civilization and another name is called and Harappan civilization. Okay, so Harappan people's maximum relationship with nature. They worship Bibal trees. So Bibal trees means அரச மரத்தை அவங்க வழிபட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddesses. So some of the and made of terracotta figures and resemble